Warning: if you're tired of living someone else's dream and ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, then this video is for you. But if you're not ready to take action and make your mark on the world, then stop watching now. Because what you're about to see will ignite a fire within you, and there's no turning back. You know what separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest? It's not their education, their background, or their resources. It's their mindset. They're not afraid to take risks, to challenge the status quo, and to push beyond their limits. They're the rebels, the innovators, and the game changers. Think about it. Steve Jobs, Richard Branson, Oprah Winfrey, they all had one thing in common: a mindset that refused to accept mediocrity. They didn't just think outside the box. They blew the box up and created a new one. What drives you? What gets you out of bed in the morning? What makes you feel alive? When you're doing something you're passionate about, you'll be more motivated, more focused, and more resilient. You'll be unstoppable. Meet John, who turned his passion for photography into a successful business. He's not just making a living, he's living his dream. He's traveling the world, capturing breathtaking moments and inspiring others to do the same. Tired of being stuck in a 9-to-5 job with no control over your schedule or your income? Entrepreneurship offers you the freedom to create your own destiny, to pursue your own passions, and to live life on your own terms. You'll be the boss, the CEO, and the master of your own universe. Imagine waking up every morning, excited to tackle the day, excited to make a difference, and excited to live the life you've always wanted. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, to travel the world, and to live life on your own terms. You don't have to do it alone. You don't have to be a solo entrepreneur, struggling to make it happen. You can be part of a community, a tribe, a movement of like-minded individuals who are passionate about entrepreneurship. Meet Sarah, who joined an entrepreneurship program and found a community of supportive entrepreneurs who helped her launch her business. She's not alone, and neither do you have to be. So what's holding you back? Is it fear, doubt, or uncertainty? Whatever it is, it's time to let go and take the leap. You have the power to create your own destiny, to pursue your own passions, and to live life on your own terms. You have the power to be an entrepreneur, to be a game changer, and to make a difference in the world.